Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button before you go. It really helps with the channel a ton. So today's product I want to share with you is a box subscription service, and it is by BarkBox. I basically picked this up for my dog, signed up for a 6-month subscription, and he is a super chewer. They have a super chewer package, they have a regular dog package, and you kind of select your basically box that will fit your dog's type, and then they send you monthly boxes so you get something fresh and new for that lovely furry friend of yours. So the first box has arrived, and because I did a 6-month subscription, it is a double box, and it comes in this little package right here. So let's go ahead and open this up and kind of show you what it's all about, and then you know, we'll see how well it hands up, especially because, like I said, my dog is a super chewer, so we'll see how well it stacks up over time, how quickly he gets through the toys. And then I'll show you some of the other boxes as time goes on about other things that come in the other various months and go over all those details. So right off the bat, we'll kind of open this on up, and it looks like we've got a jackpot-themed box this month. And here you go. As you can see, there is all kinds of stuff in there telling you a little bit of everything. So there seems to be a nice little hat here with a chew toy inside it. You've got some pork stick recipes. Now, something that they did ask, they asked if your dog has allergies, and mine's not too keen on chicken, so I put that in there. But that is something to note. There are certain things you can check, and they will help personalize the chew box for you so you don't get something that you're just going to throw away. Then there is a pumpkin and honey chew, a beef recipe chew, and it looks like a nice squeaky rubber ball here in this bag. Then there is some little puck tug of war toy here. Nice thick heavy duty dice. Jerky bars, salmon recipe, and then lamb and cheddar recipe, snacks, and then turkey recipe, and then another lamb and cheddar recipe. So, and then there we go, that is everything. So like I said, this is a double box, so it has a little bit more in it than normal, but we'll go over all these in detail, and then next month I will show you some more stuff so you can see what an average box looks like. Okay, so the toys are one of the really exciting things of why I subscribed to the BarkBox here, because they just, you know, it keeps the dog's interest in things like that. So in the first one, in this bag, they call it the Gold Rush, and it is essentially just a rubber bouncy ball, and my dog has absolutely been loving this. You can see it's got a lot of hair on it right now, but it is almost a perfect ball. They've got all these little flat areas on here, so it kind of gives it this more of an awkward, kind of crazy bouncing to it, which means when he's throwing it, he's having a lot of fun. And it is 100% rubbery material. It's got a little vanilla scent to it. And there is a squeaker right there. There's a squeaker hole. So there we go. We can squeak it here. But it is a little hard for them to squeak, which is perfect because, like I said, this is the Super Chewer box. Now, if you don't have a Super Chewer, they have other types of boxes that are perfect for your dog, and like I said, I can show some footage of that too. Now, in addition to the ball, we've got this little guy right here, and this is the grab it trick. And essentially what's kind of cool about this is right now it's got this little hat here that they'll be able to rip off, and then behind there is another little toy, and as you can kind of see, there's the teeth in here, and you'll be able to tuck some food in there and make it kind of a continuous play activity for them. And in these little instructions, which is really, really nice, they kind of include, right off the bat, they include the size of the dog, and then it talks about the toy itself. So it kind of says, here's the treat, kind of teeth dispenser, the squeaker, and you can kind of flip through these and again get an idea of how to use it, and kind of all the details for when you're giving it to your pet. So yeah, so that is the Grab It Trick toy. Then we have this right here. We've got the little dice here, and also, once again, says the dog size. And then it shows you this cool kind of concept with this. At least my dog is going to absolutely love it. He likes ripping the things off of toys, and so underneath here is the hard rubbery toy, but it's got a little fabric, so he can rip this apart, and then obviously once that's done, you throw this away, but you keep the toy itself. So it's kind of a dual level toy, if you will. And then in here, it just looks like it also has a little treat dispenser, so you can put in a small treat or some small dog food, and then he or she can have fun trying to get that out. So yeah, we got a nice little rollin' craps toy here. And then the final toy is basically a tug-of-war toy. I'm sure this one, a little bit for tug-of-war, at least with my dog. I wish this was a little bit longer, because he has a tendency to bite really high up on toys. And yeah, so I wish this was a little bit longer, but I'm sure he's going to have a lot of fun with this, throwing it around and chasing it and things like that. But essentially it has a nylon strip here, and then you got the two rubber ends for chewing. It'll be great to throw in the backyard and things like that. So those are all the detailed close-ups of what's in the BarkBox. This is, like I said, the first double deluxe super chewer box. And we're going to go over what comes in the next month. And so that way you get a whole idea of what comes in these if you choose to do the subscription. Okay guys, box 2 has arrived, so this is the first normal Bark Super Chewer box that I am getting. The other one was a double one. So this month is themed basically after Jurassic Park, which is just coming out, Jurassic World here. And so what is all included this time? So it looks like we have a kind of nether bouncy ball with a little mosquito fit pouch in there. Now, the instructions do say that if they happen to break this out, that the pouch inside, the foam pouch, is not supposed to be a toy, but kind of a little reminiscence of the mosquito in the amber. Then we've got another toy that it looks like it's got a little clothing, it looks like a cloth over it, I should say, that they will be able to rip apart, and it's a dinosaur egg, and then inside there is going to be another toy that they can continue to play with. That maybe you can even, it has a squeaker, let's see, yeah, that's basically it. It's got another coil, and then it's got a squeaker, and it's basically bouncing around, and two-way kind of play toy, which is great, especially for my dog, which is a Siberian Husky. Alright, so in addition, we got these last time. It looks like we have another 2-pack of pork sticks, and then we have another beef stick here, and then we've got 2 pouches here of, looks like, Raptor scraps. So this one is basically a pork recipe with apples, and then this one is a lamb recipe with jerky. So, and then we got the little pouch here, let's see, so this has got some more fun little information. Like I said, it got on the back side, you've got the Jurassic Park theme. And then it's got just some basically treats, kind of language here. And then I guess this is the whole collection down here, depending on, so because everybody's going to get some different things, right? So, like I said, I got the DNA Amber here, and then there is the Raptor hatchling, but there is a lot more other things in here that it looks like, other dinosaur chews and fossils and things like that. So, so that's basically what came in this month. So we will continue to go through the boxes as they arrive, so you can see what the full kit is. Arrives every month. Okay guys, so let's go over the 3rd month Bark Super Chew box. It is a pool themed box, so here you go. This is what the outside looks like, and once you open it up, what we got is we have cheesy pastry soft bakes. So this is different because all the past ones have been more like kind of chewy things. These are more little kind of soft base biscuits. So it's a little bit different there. And then we have another one, soft bakes bacon and oatmeal recipe. Then we have another larger chew stick here, pumpkin and honey recipe, which is one we've already gotten before. And then we have the pork recipe sticks, and this is a 2-pack, which we've also gotten before. Now, the 2 toys it includes, it has this kind of like saucer looking thing, which I guess is supposed to be, it's fetching rays, so I don't know if it's supposed to be the sun or whatnot like that, but it's just a solid rubber hard toy that's scented and has a little flavor kind of baked into it. So that's the one toy. The second toy is this little itty bitty flamingo here, also made out of rubber. But what's cool about these is you can put a treat in the bottom. Now my dog does love these. Previously in one of the months we got a dice that was cut once you remove the fabric. You could hide toys in there or treats in there, and he absolutely loves that. So overall, my opinion of BarkBox, the Super Chew set, is I do like the fact that we get an array of treats. The chew sticks here, he goes through really, really quick because it's Super Chew. I wish they were maybe include some more, just kind of more like rawhide type stuff or something more chewable, I guess, that lasts a little bit longer. And then as far as the toys, a lot of the toys are kind of these rubber-based toys. And my dog has mixed emotions about these. Sometimes he doesn't really like to play with these, the big rubber balls and whatnot. I was hoping for more kind of stuffed animal that has a harder covering on it. So I don't know, maybe I will look into doing the regular BarkBox, knowing that maybe he'll go through the toys a little bit quicker, but that may be a good balance out of things. Overall though, I think it is worth trying out, just because it keeps it fresh and gives your dog something new to play with. And he loves, now whenever boxes come up, he definitely kind of pays attention because he's kind of realized he gets stuff now once a month. But overall, pretty cool. Just so you saw, this is the insert for the pool themed section. But that is it. One other thing I gotta mention with these, it is nice. They do have the ability to do add-ons, whether it's for your dog's birthday or just you want to get an extra toy or things like that. You can also pay extra to just add on something, which saves you on shipping because it's going to ship with your standard BarkBox. All right, so that's basically it. So if there was something I didn't cover, you have a question or comment, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. If you like the video, just leave a comment that says thanks. That really helps out the channel. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And that is it. Check out the link that will take you to Bark, and you can check out their various different boxes. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Help this little guy out by hitting that subscribe button. And then maybe sharing or hitting the like button too.